Man,
all good. It's up.
That man out here collabing, man. Civic Center, man. First ever, man. Man, first ever, man.
11 o'clock.
Bro, nobody ever did this, bro. Ooh, sold out, sold out.
Ain't even know. I got a show sold out at 11 o'clock, man. Stop playing with me, man.
Bro, nobody never did this,
Stop playing with me.
Bro, he the first ever do this at the Civic Center, bro.
The motherfucking biggest.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Gotta let them boys know, man. Yes, sir. That's I respect that, bro. No cap, I respect that, man.
Put the work in.
Oh, yes, sir.
Put the work in.
Whole line, bro.
No futures. No celebrities, no artists.
Bro, my boy been doing this for a long time. Y'all just don't know.
No artists.
That shit take grind, dedication,
no artists.
Keep grinding, man.
And then my partner right here.
No cap, bro.
Partner right here, Nick. What's
no cap, man. Trying to get there, bro. But we gonna get there, bro. We gotta get in the content,
we working, keep grinding, man.
Yes,
keep doing your thing. Anybody that doubts you, just turn up on. Don't even talk back to them. Just put the work in. Let your work speak for you.
Yes, sir.
Let your work speak for you.
Gotta grind, man. I appreciate that, bro. What's up, guys? It's Nick, and I'm back with another video, man. Yes, sir, I'm back with another video. Well, yeah, guys, we finna head over to the car show, man. We finna go get that good content. My boy FREDNASH, car show. You know, my boy be lit, man. No cap, my boy be lit. Okay. Ooh, okay, that guy clean. But yeah, man, stay tuned through the whole video, man. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, cause we're going up the whole 2024, man. We're gonna get that good content. I know they're gonna be lit. They always be lit, FREDNASH car show. Then it's at the Civic Center. First time at the Civic Center. Nobody never did a car show at the Civic Center. And my boy doing it, man. No cap. That guy clean. Then I ain't even clean my bad boy. I ain't giving no wash or nothing. Cause the rain been on and off. So I'd be a fool if I don't watch this thing. And it rain. Nah, I ain't doing that. I hit it one time for y'all. You know my auntie out there. My auntie was out there when I blew the horn. Sitting out there. But yeah, make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, stay positive, stay motivated. Go get that content, go get that money, whatever y'all do. Go get that money, man. You can't do nothing without that money. Appreciate everybody watching me. Appreciate everybody tuning into the channel. Let's go and hit the 2K, man. I'll catch y'all when we get there, man. No cap. Catch y'all when we get there. Yes, sir. We got the good content, man. I already got a lot of people here. Well, it's decent. I ain't gonna say a lot of people. It's decent. I guess guy came early. But bro car tough. I had to get here first. It car tough. But yeah, man. Oh yeah, I gotta get one more thing. Look at it, bro. Looking good. That guy looking good. They got a good line up. People coming. I got a tow too. Get my boy real quick. What's up, my brother?
What's happening with you, homie?
Man,
all good. It's up.
That man out here collabing, man. Civic Center, man. First ever, man. Man, first ever, man.
11 o'clock.
Bro, nobody ever did this, bro. Ooh, sold out, sold out.
Ain't even know. I got a show sold out at 11 o'clock, man. Stop playing with me, man.
Bro, nobody never did this,
Stop playing with me.
Bro, he the first ever do this at the Civic Center, bro.
The motherfucking biggest.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Gotta let them boys know, man. Yes, sir. That's I respect that, bro. No care, I respect that, man.
Put the work in.
Oh, yes, sir.
Put the work in.
Whole line, bro.
No futures. No celebrities, no artists.
Bruh, my boy been doing this for a long time. Y'all just don't know.
No artists.
That shit take grind, dedication,
no artists.
Keep grinding, man.
And then my partner right here.
No cap, bro.
Partner right here, Nick. What's that?
No cap, man. Trying to get there, bro. But we gonna get there, bro. We gotta get in the content,
we work and keep grinding, man.
Yes,
keep
sir.
doing your thing. Anybody that doubt you, just turn up on them. Don't even talk back to them. Just put the work in. Let your work speak for you.
Yes, sir.
Let your work speak for you.
Gotta grind, man.
Yeah,
I appreciate that, bro. I appreciate that. No cap. A good way to start the video out, man. No cap. Appreciate my boy, man. Yes, sir. Appreciate that, man. We're finna go and see what my boy got going on. Finna go and see what my boy got going on, man. So far, it's a good look. Good look. But yeah, man. Like you said, man, you gotta stay that grind, gotta be consistent, gotta stay positive, motivated, keep moving, get to that content. Okay, we got the ice cream truck. We got the ice cream truck. Right, we're over here first. Okay. Look at that light now.
Run up on big glow, you won't, I bet your ass be on the floor. Big carbon hit like Mayweather. Take it on the floor. Get back in after back in. Come and fuck them. My soul to show. Run up.
Hey, they cooking. And that's what I'm talking about. Okay, he got it all over there. Ooh. Oh, they got a salsa bar down there too. They ain't playing. Yeah, they ain't playing. That's what I'm talking about. Gotta get out of them, man. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I gotta get out of though, man. They ain't playing. They out here kicking, moving the groove. See what we got going on out here, man. They out here moving and grooving. Sheesh. I like this. I do like this. I do like this. I like this right here. I like this. I love it. I ain't gonna say I like it. You're welcome. You had it for a long time?
2 years, but we just finished it. It was blue and red.
Oh yeah?
And then,
Oh, I gotta look at your Instagram. Yeah, most definitely.
it's finally done. So moving on to other projects now.
Yeah, I like that. That's 10 out of 10. Got a little carbon and stuff. Okay then. I like that, y'all. I'm gonna pass it here. Got a quiet right now. I like this, man. I like this. That's what I'm talking about. Well, the only more part here, he's stepping, man. No cap, he's stepping. Only more part here. Yo, back to the good content, y'all.
What's going on, bro?
What's up, Bob, man? I love it, man. I love it, man.
In the world, over 250,000 and 101 chameleon bets.
Yes, sir.
Changes 3 colors, baby.
Yes, sir.
Oslo blue, Carolina blue, and seafoam green.
Yes,
Yes, sir. You know who it is.
Yes, sir. I love it.
All
I
the way
love it.
down from NC to show you
North Carolina.
what's going on in North Carolina.
That's what I'm talking about. Big boy show.
Magally a 2.0 exotic, the most expensive rims that they make. The first set of custom rims to be placed on a Bugatti Veyron, $2.5 million. So you know they got to be expensive, baby. You're looking at 72 grand for those wheels and tires.
Man, boy, you put some money in that thing, boy. $260,000, boy. That boy say he ain't playing, man. You know what I'm saying? I love him, boy. Fully customized, man. Fully customized. 10, man. 10 out of 10. My boy say he came here to get good content, man. You feel me? I'm putting all that money into it, man. Y'all go support my boy, man. You feel me? Y'all support the grind, man. And one thing you gotta do. They got the pictures and everything out here, man. Look.
I ain't kissing no ways. Fuck you. We match energy. And when it come to niggas, I just know my role and play my part. I ain't never put my all in nothing.
know the front camera ugly, so don't talk about it. But yeah, it had started pouring rain down, so I just came to the car. Then my phone had got hot. You know that hot and it get in Alabama. The phone get hot. So I come to the car, I'm got down, cool my phone down. Came to the car, cool my phone down. I can't even talk. Cool my phone down. And it poured down rain. But yeah, man, we're getting to the good content, man. We're going up the whole 2024. You heard my boy say it. We're going up the whole 2024, man. I put my shade back on. We're going back out here and get that good content. Cause it's starting now. Shade. I gotta put my shade back on. And we're going back out here to get the good content. You see it? I'm got my boy Jojo, man. It is. I know he's gonna hit me. It look like what? Yeah, that's something I have for JJ, man. No cap. I have something like that to drive around. Right. That's what the whole film is. Definitely stay tuned, man, through the whole video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Keep still going up the whole 2024, man. And the good content, man. That's why I'm back out here, my brother. Yes, sir. That's that big one. My bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
the motherfucking bass coming. Y'all got the motherfucking
Alright guys, we're gonna end the video right here, man. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, because we're definitely going up the whole 2024. My boy had a good turnout, man. Okay, he had a good couple cars here, you know what I'm saying? Some for some good content. And I feel like more people coming, but they scared of the rain. Like, look up in the rain like it ain't. It just poured down raining for like 10 minutes, but they like it just on and off. I think there were a lot of people scared of, but just if you like the video, man, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like, share, subscribe, because we're going up the whole 2024. Look at my baby, man. My boy, I told my boy JoJo pulled up. So I'm gonna go get me something to eat, and then, man, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my day, man. I appreciate everybody watching me. I appreciate everybody supporting the channel, man. I don't know where I'd be without y'all, man. Y'all motivate me to keep going every day and every day and every day. Keep getting that content out for y'all, man. I had to take the case off. And stop. My baby. I thank God every day. But I love y'all. I'll see y'all later, man. No cap. I just like don't like.